Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you're doing really well. So, guys, in this video, I'm just gonna show you how to install any kinds of custom font in your PC. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first of all, obviously, you have to download a font. So, for that, just go to dafont.com or myfonts.com or even like 1001freefonts.com. So, here I'm using dafont.com, and here just search for any font, for example, Matrix, and search it. And here you can see a lot of fonts called Matrix. So I'm just gonna download this one and it will be downloaded as a zip file. So after downloading it, just extract the zip file, and here you can see a TrueType font file. Here is only one file, but in your case there can be a lot of them, so don't worry about it. To install any kinds of font, just open File Explorer by pressing Windows and E at the same time. Then go to C drive, then Windows, and from here search for font and open this folder. Then drag this TrueType font file and drop it here, and it will be installed. And that's how you install any kinds of font in your PC. I hope you like this video, guys, and if you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell to get new videos like this. My name is Simon, and I'll see you in the next one.